Hello, colleagues. I will be presenting to you today promoting authentic learning using the 5 E's and the 4 C's. What is authentic learning? In education, authentic learning is an instructional approach that allows students to explore, discuss, and meaningfully construct concepts and relationships in contexts that involves real-world problems and projects that are relevant to the learner. Children love to learn new things, discovery learning. Because of this, we can engage them through their curiosity by making connection through experiment and their experiences. Now, allow me to take you through the 5 E's. Engage, explore, explain, elaborate, and evaluate. Explain. Pique students' natural curiosity. Activate prior knowledge of the topic. Ensure that the students perceive activities as meaningful. Get students ready for their lesson. Students are naturally hands-on learner. Allow them to explore. Allow them to gather data and solve problems. Allow students to interact with materials. Provide students with a chance to build on their own understanding. Don't just ask them to tell you what. Give them the chance to tell you how. Give students the opportunity to explain their understanding of the topic. Help produce new knowledge and ask questions. Provide further clarification if needed. Elaborate. Allow students to apply what they have learned. Develop deeper and broader understanding, more information, and adequate skill. Challenge and extend students' understanding and skills by engaging them with new experiences. Evaluate. It encourages students to assess their understanding, determine what the students have learned. It allows both formal and informal assessment. Now that you have learned about the 5 E's, let me introduce you to the 4 C's. Our students are the 21st century learners, and in order to prepare them for a modern world, it is imperative that we teach them how to communicate, collaborate, think critically and creatively. Hence, authentic learning will be promoted. Let us look at communication. Communication is about sharing thoughts, questions, ideas, and solutions. Without effective communication, there is no way to get things done in the classroom, which is why it is an essential 21st century skill. Communication promotes confidence and helps students to develop self-esteem. Critical thinking. Critical thinking increases motivation. Students will be able to look at problems in a new way and link learning across subjects and discipline. The aim of critical thinking is to ensure that students spend most of their time creating knowledge rather than producing what they have learned. Now, creativity. Creativity is trying new approach to get things done in an innovative and creative way. Creativity provides healthy emotional outlet for authentic learning. Students will be able to express themselves in a creative way. This will allow less frustration. They will develop a joy for learning and acquire appreciation for other perspectives. The final C, which is collaborate. Collaboration is all about working together and reach a goal. It is also about putting talents, expertise, and smart to work. Collaboration encourages teamwork. Students will work together with shared responsibility as well as the need for interdependence. How can educators ensure authentic learning using the 5 E's and 4 C's? So when you are planning your lesson, ensure that you plan with the students in mind. Cater to differentiated learning. Provide them with hands-on experience. Allow them to work in pairs, work in small groups, track students' progress, capitalize on their prior knowledge, encourage creativity. Now, keep educating yourself, participate in professional development. Finally, make sure to incorporate the 5 E's and 4 C's when planning. This will promote authentic learning experience.